Parents as Life Mentors program initiated by Shantiniketan Indian School is a sincere effort to give a wonderful opportunity for parents to be very effective in mentoring children and to help them to celebrate learning and knowledge.
It is our pleasure to invite the parents of our wonderful children to the SIS Palm program conducted by Mr. Saijo Arvind, retired senior scientist, DRDO, and now a renowned educationist who has addressed over 10,000 parents and teachers in the last 4 years.
The PALM program actually helps to empower the parents and remove such minor blocks in life. It helps the knowledge to flow freely.
As teachers, we will continue to play one part, that of the teacher. As parents, the PALM program will help you reprise the role of parent more and more effectively. Once we put both parts together, we empower our children, we enrich their interests and abilities, and moreover, we make them much happier. Whatever they take upon themselves, as they learn to celebrate their knowledge.
I'm definitely going to be a part of the SIS PALM program. I would not miss it for the world. For it, I'm going to attend it both as a teacher and a mother.
With open arms, we invite all our parents to attend this program conducted by Mr. Saiju Aravind, a renowned educationist.